Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about your modem. It's a key piece of equipment between your office and the internet, and in some cases they need to be upgraded or replaced. Equipment's getting old. And other times there is an increase in service, increased speed that you've signed up for, and it just needs to be swapped out. In either case, no one expects anything to go wrong, of course, so the ISP technician comes on into your office and sets that up. We get the emergency call when that technician perhaps unplugs something they didn't mean to, or plugs something in incorrectly, and now the service won't come back up. So if you're having someone come on site to swap out the modem, please give us a call. Let us know what day and time that's planned for, and we'll make sure we have someone available just in case. Also, as you're getting quotes for increased speeds of the internet, take a good look at that quote. Make sure that it has a static IP address listed on the quote. We found that a couple clients, when they've got the increase in service, the quote came back without that static IP. Sometimes they come in bundles, and that is going to cause you other problems on the network. So make sure that you're getting a comparison of apples to apples. And while I have your attention, this is also the time of year when ComEd, Con Edison, and the other electricity providers will have planned power outages. If you get a letter or an email or something announcing that that's going to happen in your building, please let us know ahead of time. We'd like to shut down the equipment in the proper order, and then when they're done, we'd like to bring the equipment back up in the right order so that you're fully connected. If it powers down hard or it powers up in the wrong sequence, you could find that you cannot get on. So those are the two things I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.